How to sign out of TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can sign out of your TurboTax account. Now, TurboTax is a software package for preparation of American and Canadian income tax returns produced by Intuit. Now, you can log into your account and access your TurboTax account both using the mobile application and also a web browser. If you are using the web browser, then you want to head over to turbotax.intuit.com. Now, once you have been logged in, if for some reason you want to sign out of your TurboTax account, then these steps are very simple. As you can see, this is the home page of your TurboTax account. Now, if you want to sign out, tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Here you will have different options. At the bottom you will find a sign out option. Go ahead and tap on that. As soon as you tap on the sign out option, as you can see, you have been successfully logged out of your TurboTax account. If you want to log in again, you can simply enter either your mobile number, email, or user ID, then tap on the sign in option. Next thing you want to do is enter your password, then tap on the continue option. You can also tap on text a code option. A text will be sent to your mobile number. Simply enter the verification code and tap on continue. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.